These mangroves out, fresh water outside, and that's all you need. I've rooting out for a few months now. They fall on my boat, and I pick them up on the beach, and they wash up. You can just put them in fresh water, and they'll root out. Right on the edge, so that looks like the zone they want to be. This looks like a little false creek, so we're going to plant it right here on the edge, just like this, right on the edge of these black mangrove roots. It's weird how these black mangrove roots grow up. And we're going to dig a little hole and just finish them up. Those roots nice and secure down. Hopefully create more of a habitat for bait and fish to hang out, the crabs, birds. Yeah, look at this. Oh, there's another red one. Look at this red one coming in. It's 5 or 6 foot of space in between. They want the social distance too. They can all grow correctly. Those roots that are already established will help hold it down in the mud. I'm going to plant 7 mangroves on this point. This roots will help root in quickly. Nice stuff. Just to help rebuild these red mangroves they got tore up when they dug these creeks out. It did help with the fishing though. When they dug the creeks out, the reds wanted to mill up against these little shelves to get whatever they churned up. And I think the chum like slick was going back and forth, and they were all, yeah, I remember the reds would just annihilate DOA shrimp, the gold DOA shrimp. You just put it up in front and twitch it. That's an epic sight cast back here. So yeah, that helped restore this island and give more oxygen for the planet. As easy as that. Just a little water. To let the rain take care of that, leave them outside in a container. Root out. The river. Plant in your favorite area. Watch them grow. Maybe on mangrove trees. I like the red ones too. I've seen the snook high tides all in the roots. Hanging out high. There's the snook from the platform. Oh, sounds come out. Dude. Look at the size of that beauty. Just reach down on the side. Land your beautiful snook. Yeah, that was cool, man. Really cool. I saw him come out and eat from up there. I was so high on the platform. Saw that flash. Boom! Turned on and bam! Went into those jumps. That was a really awesome fight.